Hi YouTube. Um, these are three juggling balls that I made out of synthetic leather, and they were filled inside with with rice. This is a project that I did some weeks ago. I was learning how to juggling, and I was juggling with the with cheap juggling balls, and they were not very good. It's hard to control, so these ones are a bit harder, but they are a bit heavy. It's better for control, and they were made of for them I had to cut two triangular pieces of synthetic leather, and then I joined them together with this kind of stitch, and I made three, because I was learning how to juggling with three balls.